Another aircraft falling out of the sky? How do we convince the public and the authorities that we are on top of this? The regulations require us to be proactive and to manage safety performance, but we seem incapable of controlling the rare combination of factors that lead to disasters during routine operations. This seems to be the catalyst of commercial aviation accidents these days. Can we find new and advanced tools and methods to prevent further aviation accidents?
The question is, how do we make an ultra-safe system even safer? We are doing all the conventional things well, but our risk assessment tools are not powerful enough in the face of complex everyday operations. Therefore, it is difficult to anticipate these system risks, and even more difficult to know how to change the system.
Change is hit and miss. It is very difficult to achieve your objectives. It is difficult enough trying to change one organisation because we are so reliant on everyone else in the system. How can we build a safer aviation system?
The problem is that aviation does not operate as a system with effective feedback and common performance and risk standards. We need a new approach.
So, what can we do?
Prospero is an innovative approach to tackling system safety. It uses all the available data to build a profile of system risk in everyday operations. This includes sharing data between airlines, airports, and potentially also ATM.
How does it work?
Such a system gives better support to those doing the job, whether in operations or in managing change. Feedback from their work enhances the risk model and provides accountability. Furthermore, we can begin to measure our progress towards a safer aviation system. This is how a self-regulating system should really work. Once we understand that, the logic of collaboration, even with our competitors, becomes compelling. It is in everybody's interest to make the system safer.
Great. If we do this right, we can make everybody happy. We can reassure the public, reduce our insurance costs, provide better support to our staff, and become more competitive. At the same time, demonstrating to the authorities how we are progressively getting safer.